Hello, I'm Don McClintock, President of the Vancouver Island Real Estate Board, and this is your January 2018 Market Update. Coming off the busiest December on record, sales in the VIREB area returned to seasonally normal levels in January. Last month, 290 single-family homes sold on the MLS system, compared to 327 in December and 244 1 year ago. The number of apartments changing hands in January rose by 65%, while townhouse sales were static when compared to 2017. Inventory of single-family homes dropped to 749 in January, a 16% decrease from 1 year ago, and a new low for the VIREB area. The supply of apartments and townhouses dipped by 19% and 30% respectively. The housing market throughout BC continues to thrive due to strong economic fundamentals like job growth, consumer confidence, and population growth driven largely by interprovincial migration. However, the British Columbia Real Estate Association does see some economic headwinds on the horizon for 2018. These include higher interest rates and the mortgage stress test, also known as Guideline B20, which arrived on the 1st of January. Rising interest rates will erode affordability for some home buyers, while Guideline B20 could reduce the purchasing power of people seeking conventional mortgages by up to 20%. We don't know how much of an impact these factors will have on the VIREB housing market in 2018. Interest rates are higher than we've seen in some time, but they're still relatively low. As for Guideline B20, demographics could offset some of its impact, since many VIREB buyers are retirees. In fact, Vancouver Island communities, particularly the Parksville-Qualicum area, have some of the highest concentrations of seniors in the province. What we can tell you is that the VIREB area has been a seller's market in the last 18 months. Multiple offers are still common, especially on properties in the $400,000 to $500,000 range. Buyer demand and limited supply continue to drive home prices upwards. The benchmark price of a single-family home in January reached $471,000, an increase of 17% from 2017. Apartments and townhouses also saw rising benchmark prices board-wide in January, reaching $288,000 and $376,000 respectively. Whether you're buying or selling, here's some tips to help you get started. If you're a buyer, make sure your financing is pre-approved so that you can act quickly when you find a property you like. If you were pre-approved for a mortgage in 2017, it's a good idea to touch base with your mortgage professional again to be sure that the pre-approved amount you were quoted has not changed. If you're a seller, we encourage you to list your home now and not wait until spring. Although home prices are still rising, that can't continue indefinitely. At some point, buyers will begin bowing out of the market due to affordability concerns. New construction is also underway throughout Vancouver Island, which is good news for prospective home buyers. But additional housing stock could temper rising prices and move the market towards more balanced conditions, which would impact sellers. When it's time to buy or sell, connecting with an experienced local realtor is particularly crucial in a competitive real estate market. Realtors have specialized knowledge of their communities, so I encourage you to check out our website and contact a local realtor for information on a specific market on Vancouver Island. That's it for now. I'm Don McClintock, and this has been your Real Estate Market Update for January 2018. I'll see you next month.